welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious ground beef pita taco. Yes, flatbread that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First, I want to show you my pita bread, my flat bread. Let me show you how it looks, how the texture. This taco is going to come out amazing. Very delicious and easy to prepare. Look at this. Okay, let me put it aside and let me start with the ingredients. I want to start with my red onion. I am going to slice it nice and thin. And then I am going to separate it. Let me tell you, once you make this amazing taco, you're going to love it. I am going to continue with the jalapeno. The jalapenos are not spicy, but if you don't like spicy food, remove the seeds and remove the vein. I am leaving everything behind because you know that I love spicy food. So once I have all the jalapeno sliced, I am going to put it in this plate, put it aside. I have my tomato. Yes, all these ingredients I'm going to add into my taco. Look at this. Very few ingredients, but yet the taco is going to be so chunky and so delicious. Of course, some lettuce, iceberg lettuce, or any kind of lettuce you have at home. There's no need to go to the supermarket. Any kind of lettuce you have home. Jalapeno, onion, of course, your lettuce, your tomato, and then we're ready. We're ready to see what we're going to add into the ground beef. Extra lean ground beef. 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of powdered garlic. Look at this. I am going to add everything right on the top, right on the pan. I didn't add any oils. This meat is extra lean. Of course, when you buy extra lean meat, remember, pull it apart really good. And then when it's nice and getting nice and warm, cover it so that the little bit of oils and the liquid that's going to come out will cook your ground beef to perfection. Look at this. Make sure that you pull it apart so you don't have big chunks of ground beef. So I'm just pulling it apart slowly, cooking it in medium-high heat. And now I am ready to cover it. I'm going to cover it for about 3 minutes, medium heat. Cover it, and when you come and you uncover it, you're going to see liquid on the bottom. Yes, it's going to cook in the same juices. There's no need to add oil to it. Just cover it and let it do the process. Let the meat really release all the juices, all those amazing flavors, and the spices, let me tell you, just amazing. Of course, you could add any type of spice, but if you do it the way I'm doing it, you're going to love this ground beef pita taco. Look at this. Very few, a little bit of drops of oil you see on the bottom. The fat that has rendered from the ground beef. Let me tell you, this just smells amazing. To cook the ground beef, it doesn't take too long. Once it's nice and golden brown, I'm going to transfer it to a plate. And on the same pan, I am going to add the onion and the jalapeno. There's no need to use another pan. Look at this. Look how this looks. The aroma of the ground beef, oh my gosh, it has invaded my kitchen. And now in the same pan, I'm just adding a little bit of vegetable oil. I am adding olive oil. I am going to go ahead and start cooking the onion and the jalapeno. Of course, to this, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. I'm just adding a little bit. I love doing it this way because the onion and the jalapeno is going to remove all the flavor of the meat from the pan. I'm going to cook this in medium heat for about 3 minutes. I don't want to overcook the onion or the jalapeno. I still want the onion and the jalapeno to be crunchy, to have that amazing flavor. So when you dig into the taco, you get a little bit of everything and the flavors, oh my gosh, just amazing. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love the ingredients, of course, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives. Only that way, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being part of my family. Well, now that the onion is ready, the jalapenos are ready, I'm going to put them in a plate and I'm going to reserve them. Look at this. The aroma of the jalapeno and onion. Oh my gosh. I am ready to prepare these pita tacos. On my skillet, I am going to add just a little bit of unsalted butter. And now I'm ready to lay on the top the pita bread. I want it nice and warm from that side. Once it's nice and warm, it really takes about 1.5 minutes. I'm going to flip them over. I'm going to add a little bit of mozzarella cheese. Just a little bit. I'm not going to be too generous. Just a little bit of the mozzarella cheese on the top. I'm going to cook it for another minute or two until the cheese starts melting away. Look at this. Don't overcook your pita bread. You don't want it nice and hard. You just want to cook it until the cheese starts melting away. Now that the pita bread is nice and cooked, then you are ready to assemble your delicious homemade pita bread taco. I'm adding some sour cream right on the bottom. Be generous with your sour cream and then add a little bit of your lettuce right on the top. Let me tell you, this taco is so healthy, so delicious. 2 slices of the tomato and of course being very generous with the ground beef. Look at this. This looks amazing. Top it off with the onion and the jalapeno and then you are ready to enjoy a delicious pita taco. Look at this. Look how beautiful this looks. I hope, my friends, you make it and you enjoy what I enjoy with my beautiful family. Delicious ground beef pita tacos. Look at this. They're nice and large, delicious. And let me make one more so that you see how delicious and how easy you can make these amazing homemade pita tacos. Of course, adding the sour cream, the lettuce, the tomato, your ground beef, and top it off with the onion and the jalapenos. I am ready to enjoy. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing ground beef pita taco. Yes, nice and healthy and delicious. But this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So delicious. Perfection made at home. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And of course, I will stay enjoying this amazing pita ground beef tacos. See you soon. Bye-bye.